Bonjour à tous et bienvenue dans cette nouvelle vidéo partie 9. Alors on va commencer l'épisode 3. C'est parti. Épisode 3, on va voir ce que ça donne.
In the previous episodes of Life is Strange.
Donc évidemment il y a le résumé de ce qui s'est passé avant. Est-ce que je peux le passer? Oui, je vais le passer. Allez, choisissez bien, choisissez bien. Choisissez bien, quand on peut pas revenir en arrière, de toute façon, on prend le choix qui nous semble le plus logique. Donc on s'était quitté avec une éclipse, là on a la pleine lune. C'est bien calme. Alors je vois pas vraiment le rapport avec la photographie en fait, je vois pas pourquoi on doit se faire chier des fois à prendre des photos. Je vois pas le rapport entre l'histoire et le fait de faire de la photographie, vraiment. Bon, il y a des lucioles. Donc, elle est en train de dormir ou de travailler là. De dormir. Ah, elle a récupéré le lapin de Kate, d'accord. J'ai quelque chose à te montrer, rendez-vous devant le campus.
I knew Chloe would be all over this, so I better get moving. I still can't stop thinking about Kate. It's like I'm awake in a bad dream. Okay, this is scary dark. Let there be...
La meuf, elle laisse la porte ouverte, tranquille. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Dana.
Hey Dana, how are you doing?
I just can't stop thinking about Kate. And if this is my fault too.
Accusé Victoria. Elle était déprimée, on est tous responsables.
I think we're all responsible for what happened.
Not you, Max. You were close to her.
Yeah. Too bad I was the only one.
I know. You're a better person than any of us here. Hey, Max. I think I need to crash now. I'm just over everything today.
Ben, va t'écrouler, sale espèce de tas de merde. Hop. Allez, on sort. Bien, bien, bien. Rendez-vous devant le campus.
So Chloe is waiting for me in front of
Devant le hall principal.
Principal Wells. Are you serious? I'm toast if he sees me.
Nobody can expel me.
Ah putain, mec, s'il veut me faire chier lui. Si je passe là.
Listen, you have to be stealthier than that. You're not supposed to be outside your dormitory and stuff. Plus, you're on suspension.
I'm sorry, Principal Wells. I'm still upset about Kate. I
to go through that. You tried to help, but God damn it, Blackwell is my responsibility.
Bon, lui il est torché apparemment.
I let her Kate down. Go on back inside. Get some rest. It's been a shitty day. Good night, Max.
Great. So how did I get past him to meet Chloe?
Alors si je fais comme ça, est-ce que ça passe?
I know, I have a set of keys on me.
Max the Ninja strikes again.
Ok, bon, ben voilà, ça c'est bon. Alors des fois pour revenir en arrière c'est un peu laborieux parce que ça met des fois un peu de temps, je sais pas pourquoi. Même quand on appuie sur les deux gâchettes. Voilà que j'ai fait.
Booyah! Get it? Booyah. Like a scary punk ghost. Or like a scary and sensitive asshole.
Une chieuse.
I watched my friend jump off a roof.
J'ai vu même se jeter, toi. Je n'ai pas besoin que tu me fasses des blagues de ce genre.
You always trip out on me for not being there for you, but is this how you're there for me?
Ouais, c'est vrai que t'es un peu une poufiasse, Chloé.
I'm sorry, Max.
Ouais, t'es
I
nul.
wasn't even thinking.
Surtout que je t'ai sauvé la vie au moins 3 ou 4 fois là aujourd'hui, hein.
I'm not trying.
Enfin hier plutôt. Ou avant-hier, peu
I
importe.
would never get the image out of my head of Kate jumping off that roof. All because my power. It didn't mean shit. I know seeing Kate fall was horrible. I don't even know how to deal with that, so I just. I don't know. But it's your badass power that's gonna bring all this to a close. We just need to connect the players. And find out who really killed Kate. We have to stop this from happening to anybody else. Oh yeah, and somehow stop that tornado from wiping out Arcadia Bay, right? Didn't you say that it was all about chaos theory? I don't see any control over this chaos. Oh right, except for your ability to, oh yeah, manipulate time and space. Oh, maybe? Chloe, I just feel weird about some of my decisions. I mean, I even got my own dumbass suspended. Dude,
Bah c'est bien de se faire exclure.
Let's focus on looking for clues, okay?
À propos de Kate, à propos de Rachel. Kate.
Right. For one thing, there's too much coincidence between the people around Kate and Rachel. Like Steph Frick and Nathan Prescott?
Oui.
Of course. They're both sociopaths. More like psychopaths. At least David doesn't try to beat down women like me. And even though I don't know, it feels like Rachel is guiding us to the truth. Fuck the truth. I just want to find my friend right now. It scares me to think where she could be.
Bon. Est-ce qu'on peut... Parce que c'est gâté en vie morte.
Dead? I'm sorry. I hate even saying that, Cody. Not as much as I hate thinking it. Max, we have to find Rachel soon. We have to. I promise you. Like you said, it's time to start the search for clues. Now tell me what's your secret. Drum roll, please. I present the spare keys to Blackwell. Thank you, Steph Frick. You are such a boss, Chloe. I just don't want you to get in any more trouble. Look at all the trouble dropping in Arcadia Bay. At this point, who gives a fuck anymore? You're suspended anyway, Max. I'm so glad you're the
Bon, vous bougez le cul ou pas là? Parce que...
Hopefully the rest of the class will follow the lead. Sorry, I was distracted, as you know. It's not been a good day for one.
Ah, il y a la lèche-boule qui parle avec le professeur.
you, Victoria. I imagine you're pretty upset over Kay as well.
I'm like still in shock. I've never seen anybody die. I really care about Katie.
Ouais, bien sûr.
I had no idea you two were that close. Did she?
How does this affect the Everyday Heroes contest?
It doesn't. The
Oh là là.
contest is still a go, and I still have to pick the winner to best represent Blackwood. I've got all the photos and sent one from Max.
I'll give you a one-word sneak preview of Max's photo. Selfie. Listen, you've seen my entry. You know it's better than that. Wouldn't that be so cool to hang on to?
Oh là là, ma pauvre, là tu vas trop loin là.
Mr. Jefferson, Victoria, please. And, I haven't picked a winner yet.
You already love my work, so it's not like you're playing favorites. Just imagine if you picked my photo though. We would have to spend a lot of time together.
Ouais, mais en fait, tu ressembles à un cul. Donc ça m'intéresse pas.
I didn't think that you didn't say anything.
You might as well choose me. Otherwise, I might have to tell you who you are and choose my photo.
As a favor to your future, I'll also ignore that disguised threat. This conversation is officially over, Miss Chase. I suggest you go back to your dorm.
Wait, I only
Eh ouais, t'es nul.
fucking kidding me.
Vous savez, en plus, elle est vraiment moche quoi. Elle ressemble à rien. Hein.
Just like Victoria Kay and more.
Ah là, elle est tombée bien bas là.
Let's go find out.
Oh, elle se tiennent là, main. Bon, pour l'instant, j'ai rien fait. Là, il n'y a que de la narration quasiment, à part bouger 2-3 fois le personnage. Les temps de chargement sont un peu longs aussi.
Chloe the Keymaster. You know it.
À cette vitesse-là, tu vas utiliser ta batterie très très rapidement là.
Not to mention the maid who ran into my room. I'm serious. We're not kids anymore. We're breaking an entry. If I have a key, how can it be breaking? I can't charge us for just entering. I'm serious. We could go to jail. Not if I'm related to the head of Blackwell Security. Stepship will not want me in the hands of the local police. So we better find out what's in the principal's office first. You can rewind if we get caught, right? You have mad powers, Max. Oh, that's okay. Come on, one more goal and I'll work him out.
Ce serait quand même intelligent de refermer la porte derrière, mais je peux pas, donc ça sert à rien. Bon alors, tu l'ouvres cette porte? Genre, je suis obligé de lui parler pour qu'elle ouvre la porte, quoi.
Look, the security officer should have the key to the principal's office. He's hiding shit, like everybody here. Well, now we definitely have to get this door open. Believe it or not, I know a little about lockpicking. Thanks to Frank. I might as well test out my thief skill. Go for it. We're already in this deep. Well, you could look for the key, just in case. Why, yes.
Ouais, donc en fait, elle va pas réussir à l'ouvrir, va falloir que j'aille chercher la clé moi-même, quoi. D'accord. Ok.
Nothing here.
Voilà, donc je me fais chier à ouvrir tous les tiroirs.
Or
Nothing here. Allez, on continue.
crap.
Here are the keys. None for the principal's office.
Donc là, il n'y a rien à ouvrir.
No keys here. Nothing to see here. No key for Lee. We have to find another way in. Guess I didn't spend enough time with Frank. But I'll use my DIY lock.
Bon, en fait, ce sont des pieds nickelés, les meufs, là. Elles sont nulles.
That plan has to be.
Listen, I need your physics expertise stat. Without naming names, if somebody had access to the art and science labs and wanted to construct a device that would, say, open a locked door, would you maybe kind of know how? Huh? No. I'm just asking for fun. Thanks, science guy. No. Stay. We need you as backup. Just send the text instructions now. Yes, I'm still all in to go aid with you at the drive-in. Thanks for the help. Sucks ass. Goddamn door. Try not to wake up everybody at Blackwell. Sorry, Max. I got nothing. What about your phone? I'm gonna
Alors on va devoir aller faire les courses.
You stay here and not get caught. I might get on the other side of that door before you. The race is on. See you soon.
Alors il faut récupérer quoi là? Alors 1, 2, 3, il faut briquer. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ce truc de merde là? Numéro privé. Ah merde. Numéro privé. Maintenant, tu as tout le temps de réaliser la grosse merde que tu es. Bon, on s'en fout. Et maman qui nous dit: j'étais tellement heureux d'entendre que tu m'aies parlé, franchement. Je t'aime? Ah oui, c'est. Voilà, d'accord. Ok, alors. Faut que j'aille en salle de machin. Là.
Warren is such a classic nerd. Let's see if I can find those items.
La salle de science, elle est où? Là.
Gross. I hate that formalin smell.
Regardez. Il y a du sucre. Prendre.
Sugar. Only 3 more items to go.
Livre de science, on s'en fout. Alors. Ça fait quoi de regarder ça là, sans déconner?
Everybody's asleep. I hate to wake them up, but I want a picture. Good evening, Fish Fish.
Allez, on va prendre une photo, c'est trop bien.
Thanks, Fish. Nice work.
Bon, alors, qu'est-ce qu'il y a d'autre comme objet à choper là? Schéma, tableau périodique. Tableau périodique des enculés. Là, je peux rien ouvrir.
You're an artist, damn it, not a scientist. But this is so not sodium chloride. Here's the sodium chloride box. You know you're clumsy, Max. Don't waste your rewind power. Use the damn chair.
Bien, alors il me manque. Il me manque quoi là? Warren, il est où ce con hein? Trois, c'est quoi ça? Ah, du sucre, une canette, du ruban adhésif. Une canette et du ruban adhésif. Alors, évidemment, il faut qu'il m'envoie un message là. T'es là? Oui. T'as ferme ta gueule. Je suis en train de chercher. Une canette. Bon, une canette, je peux la prendre dans la machine. Le ruban adhésif. Peut-être que le ruban adhésif, je peux le prendre dans le bureau de la secrétaire. Peut-être que je peux le prendre dans le bureau de la secrétaire, ça. Est-ce qu'il y a quelque chose dans le bureau de la meuf, là? Non. Donc je vais peut-être aller le prendre au bureau du secrétaire. Enfin, de la secrétaire. Hop, donc la canette. Voilà, j'ai juste besoin de, normalement, prendre une canette.
Release the crackhead. It's all mine anyway. Only one more ingredient left.
Et là, attendez, la poubelle. Ah, peut-être que j'aurais pu prendre dans la poubelle. Peut-être qu'il y en avait déjà dans la poubelle. Sur la poubelle a l'air vide. Et le scotch. Il doit y en avoir ici du scotch normalement. Ouais. Il n'y a pas de scotch dans le bureau de la secrétaire, c'est quand même un truc de fou quand même. Donc là, il n'y a pas. Lettres.
There's no way they would fit in Mrs. Grant's face. She'd shut his ass down fast.
D'accord. Bon, bah apparemment, il n'y a pas de scotch
Probably
ici.
should find those items now.
Ah oui, mais comment ça se fait qu'il n'y a pas de scotch là, bordel de merde? Oula. On s'en fout. Là, c'est fermé. Là, c'est les
Thought we
toilettes.
used some tape in Jefferson's class last week.
Ah! D'accord, dans le... Ok. Donc, il faut que j'aille dans la salle de classe de littérature.
This is like a scene in a horror film. I feel gross even looking at Nathan's work. But he does have some style.
Ok. Paquet de cigarettes.
Victoria's cigarettes? I'm sure Mr. Jefferson is impressed.
Ah!
The tape is mine.
Voilà, donc, non, là c'est bon, j'ai tout.
Now it's time to
Je
show
vais
Chloe
rentrer,
Max is the bomb.
je vais retourner là où il y a Chloé, et puis je pense que je vais voir ce que ça fait. Si on ouvre la porte, et donc après je m'arrêterai là, puisqu'on va bientôt arriver à 30 minutes. Donc on va laisser la scène dans le bureau du proviseur, et puis après je m'arrêterai là. Hop. Allez, c'est parti.
Take it easy on the door.
Hop, pardon.
Yes. Blow shit up.
C'est vrai que, et en plus, on met pas les gants, on met rien du tout. Hein. Ah, oh là, il y a un bug.
So fucking cool. Oh, we are toast.
Here comes the whole Arcadia Bay Fire and Police Department.
So what should we do?
On se casse. D'accord, donc je pense qu'il faut se casser, je pense. Elles sont pas très fut-fut quand même, hein. Je veux dire, elles mettent pas... Alors regardez, pourquoi c'est lent là? Pourquoi c'est aussi lent, ça déconne? Qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire?
Take it easy on the door. Take it easy on the door. Shit! Do something, Max.
On se casse.
Do something, Max.
On peut pas téléphoner? Ah. Bon. Allez, putain, mais qu'est-ce que c'est long? Donc, on est en train de chercher des trucs.
Welcome, my new
You are magic. I have no clue how the hell you got in there, but you did it, sister.
the company I keep. Now, let's find what we want.
Ouais, ça c'est pas mal, ça, c'est pas mal. Donc là, on a fait péter la porte, donc les pompiers sont arrivés. Il fallait rentrer dans la pièce, revenir en arrière, évidemment.
You must want everybody to know he has money.
La porte s'est refermée.
Taste.
Pas mal, pas mal.
You must want everybody to know he has money. How can you trust somebody who has a fucking bronze bird in his office?
Yes, if only the principal had his name was possible.
It's still in my class. Eat me. I'm gonna pilfer the papers on this ugly ass desk. Eat me. I'm gonna pilfer the papers on this ugly ass desk. Okay, sure. It's ugly, but damn, is it a cozy chair? Okay, sure. It's ugly.
This is your chance to truly get productive and shit, Sherlock. Find us some clues about Rachel, Kate, Nathan. Anyway, I'm on it. Find us some clues about Rachel, Kate, Nathan.
Et Rachel, c'est pas ton ami, tu peux pas te démerder un peu, non? Bon, allez, je vais faire ça.
Pretty much sums up Kate. Shines
Voir si je trouve quelque chose.
and in the wrong place. This pretty much sums up Kate. Shines and in the wrong. Only 2 more files to go. I certainly can't use this. Only 2 more files to go. I certainly can't use this. Looks like an oil painting spill.
Faut pas allumer la lumière, là, putain.
Look at this pile. Looks like a tumbleweed. Look at this pile. Tumbleweeds. Rachel doesn't seem so troubled based on all this. Man, I don't blame the principal for expelling Chloe. Rachel doesn't seem so troubled. Bad.
Rachel.
Damn, I don't blame the principal for expelling Chloe. Bad, Chloe. Let's
Chloe,
nab this
Rachel,
last file,
okay.
Sherlock. Always wanted to say nab.
Dude, I know I shouldn't be going through the principal's files, but it's kind of cool.
Always wanted to say nab. Now's your chance to get revenge on Blackwell.
Oh yeah, I'm so bummed.
Vengeance sur Blackwell, fais attention.
There's still time.
Especially with you around, right?
Don't talk, search.
Oh, I like it when you get bossy. You're finally learning from the master.
Don't talk, search.
Oh, I like it when you get I'd drink too if I was the principal of Blackwell.
Alors, des fois la caméra est pas vraiment tip top. Hein.
Wowzer. Wowzer. This was
Pour la caméra.
come in handy.
Alors il me manque quoi à fouiller là? J'ai fouillé là. J'ai fouillé là.
If I would have signed the petition, I could have made the difference. If I would have signed the petition, I could have made the difference. So Nathan Prescott's dad is a bully too.
J'ai un dossier.
So Nathan Prescott's look everywhere, Max. There has to be some info in the stupid files. You're not so tacky. Look everywhere, Max. There has to be some info in the stupid files. You're not so tacky.
On peut pas le pousser ça là? Y'a pas des dossiers dessous là?
Weird. This asshole has a spotless record. Like I'm not gonna read my own personal file. Weird.
Ah,
This asshole has a spotless record. Like I'm not gonna read my own personal I think we found everything in here. I should go join Chloe now. Max?
voilà, donc normalement j'ai récupéré.
Nathan accuses Rachel of bringing drugs on campus, and my step troll went along.
Donc on va attendre cette phase et dès que ça sauvegarde on va arrêter là, on est déjà à 32 minutes.
David is teaming up with Nathan Prescott? That's not bad, sorry.
Prescott the third. He's so money. And you know that Prescott's dropped a major bank to bury Nathan's profile. Look, it reads like a rap sheet. Bad grades, teacher complaints, secret probation. But I was expelled.
At least Nathan was finally suspended. Check out that secret probation. Open it.
Ça faut l'imprimer ça.
It's just some crazy thing.
It's not a troll. Look. Rachel went to dark grades. Rachel went to dark grades. Over and over. That's it.
Fucked up. What does this even mean? Nathan is truly psychotic. I know he has something to do with Rachel. What does this even mean?
Whoa. Listen to this. David M. always asks what's going on in my head. David M. always helps me follow those he follows. It's pretty cryptic.
No, it sounds like they formed some sort of weird team. Superheroes.
Jesus. David was stalking Kate, hassling me, and now we know he was all over Rachel too.
Oh, we are so going into these
Uh-huh.
garage files. Listen, we got our info. Let's bail. We are so going into these garage files. Maybe we shouldn't leave with a big gift.
No, we're not taking the cozy chair.
Max, do your powers include mind reading? Or did you just rewind because I tried to steal the chair?
Max, your powers include mine. It's the powers of best friendship. I know how wine because I tried to steal the chair. We should definitely get out of here. We pressed our luck enough.
Well, what have we here? Holy shit! Jackpot!
Wowzer. That's a lot for the handicapped.
Dude, there's $5,000. I could pay Frank back tonight. This will chill him out after August.
Yeah.
There's $5,000. I could pay Frank back tonight. Are you gonna make a big issue out of this? Or just rewind and take the greenbacks for yourself?
Ouais, oui, prends le pognon. Non.
Frank knows things about Rachel, and he might talk if he's been.
Laissez l'argent, voler l'argent. Oui, on va voler l'argent.
Frank knows things about
And with the leftover dough, I'll take you on a road trip to Portland for the day. We'll stock up on tabs, beer, weed, and donuts, and books from Powell, and strip clubs. Kidding. But you never know. Weed, donuts, and books from Powell, strip clubs.
I feel like shit for taking that money.
Allez, on se casse.
That image look scares me. Care for a midnight swim? The Blackwell pool is out. Swimming? You want to take that risk now? It's been a cray week. We deserve a little mindless fun in the water. We're done for the night anyway. We're rich, and nobody busted us. So, splish splash. You're right. We hella deserve it. Splish splash. Did you actually just say hella? I think I'm a good bad influencer. Did you actually just say hella?
Voilà, donc là je pense que ça va sauvegarder. Bien, donc cette première partie de l'épisode 3 était plutôt pas mal. On a appris quand même pas mal de choses sur les personnages, notamment que Nathan a été bien couvert par Blackwell. Que certainement le proviseur a reçu du pognon pour pouvoir fermer sa gueule de la part de la famille Prescott. Que peut-être Nathan a un rapport avec la disparition de Rachel. Donc on verra ça plus tard.